Good morning. It's April what?
11.
April 11th in Vancouver, Washington. I just woke up, forgive me. And this is happening. There's an April blizzard. Crazy. Amy gets an 8-day spring break because there was a blizzard on her, on her day back to work. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. Wow, it's beautiful though. It's really pretty. I think I'll look outside of the front. Look out the front a little bit here. It's very pretty. I'm wearing the long shoes. I should be wearing my fuzzy slippers. Oh. Wow, it's wet. Heavy, wet snow. Crazy. That. What a surprise. Still coming down. Still coming down. It's like 8 o'clock right now. It's very pretty. So wild. What are these little footprints here? Interesting. Those birds. Crazy. So pretty. So pretty. Well, Amy will take any day off they'll give her. And this counts.